Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can see kind of like fishes or like birds that will appear once you reach level 11 of the like collecting hobbies, I guess. So you are going to go to other collections in Heartopia. Wait, no, special furniture, sorry. And then go to decorates. Then you're going to scroll all the way down until you find this. So right now I'm level 10 on every hobby, and I almost completed all of my collection for each of the like birds and like the fishes and the insects. So let's scroll down. Okay, so these are the fishes that will come up once I reached like level 11 or more, hopefully. We have this lion head, which is not here yet. And then this, I'm most excited for the pink beta. Hopefully I reach that level soon. Don't know when I'll reach that level. We also have the Asian arowana, this angelfish. What else is new that I have yet to unlock? Hold on. Okay, these ones are like lake fishes, I think. Okay, that's it for like the lake fish. And then for the sea fish, let's see. Um okay, this moon jellyfish. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for this. This one's super cute. And then we can also get the green sea turtle, black spot sergeant, mahi mahi. Oh my god, he's got a big forehead. And whale shark, I think is yeah. Okay, we haven't gotten the whale shark as well. So I think level 10 is up to like here. Yeah, so to like here. Okay. And then for gardening, we'll be able to plant tea leaves and cocoa bean, I think. And then for insects, okay, let's go to birds. Let's see what we have not have. Okay, we don't have snowy, like the snowy owl. And I think the rest we do have it. So do we have this? Okay, we don't have this blue-footed bird. I think we don't have the Atlantic puffin. The Inca tern also we don't have. We have this. What about ducks? We don't have this one. The Baikal teal, is that how you pronounce it? I think we have king either. I'm not sure, but maybe we don't have that. So I don't I don't remember the birds we have or we don't have. Blue-headed quail dove. I also think we don't have this one yet. I'm not sure if we have this one, the chestnut cheek starling, the red brown finch too. Okay, you're just gonna have to check that for yourself because I don't remember like the bird infos and stuff like that. And then for the insects, this is so pretty. When are we getting this? I need this. The certified mark. Okay, the purple spotted swallowtail we don't have. And then we don't have let me see, the Goliath beetle. We don't have that yet. And the Atlas beetle as well. Then we don't have the red milkweed locust. Then I think we have all of the beetles here. The flame skimmer we don't have. Ooh, oh my gosh, this one's so pretty. We don't have this yet. The orchid mantis. I need this today, actually. I think for all the bees, we have that already. And then, okay, we do have that. Okay, this is what the chocolate sauce will look like. We're going to like cook it basically using the cocoa that we need to plant. I think that's like level 13 of gardening, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, we don't have that yet. There's a lot to unlock, trust me. Let's see what else. Ooh, these milk teas. So the mellow black tea, mellow milk tea, cocoa milk tea, some milkshakes, haven't unlocked that yet, some green teas, okay, some other teas, the exquisite afternoon tea. I think that's it. You can check it out the rest yourself. This video is taking a long time, but I just found it interesting how we're gonna unlock that in like a month, hopefully. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!